Welcome back, peeps. My name is Chad Wilson from Simple Cloudware, and today we are going to be talking about HTML. The next thing we're going to look at is the major sections of a particular page. Now we can see here that we have the footer, and we're just going to start from the bottom here. And the footer includes several different divs or divisions, and then has H for the title and then a paragraph that displays text. And then if you come up here, we can see that there is a header. And what our header on this particular website has in it is it has the logo, and it also has the navigation. And in between here, we can see that there is a piece of Angular that says router outlet, and we can come over here to see the particular next section. So we have here what's called a section. So on the home page you have what's called a hero, which is just an arbitrary name for a particular piece that is usually on a home page that has a big image, or it's kind of a splash piece of the site. And then you have the main, which is where all of the elements between a header and footer reside. And then sometimes you'll also have a sidebar, which will be named sidebar, just like this is named main. Thanks so much for watching, and if you'd like more information, please click on the playlist listed below. Hit that subscribe button so people just like you can find this video, and please comment below to join the community. And remember, keep your head in the clouds.